Hello, and welcome to the podcast. I'm so happy you're here. My name is Ralph, and this is the place where you can improve your English naturally and confidently. Today, we are going to talk about a very common problem for English learners: translating in your head. Have you ever been in a conversation and you wanted to say something, but you had to think in your language first, then translate it into English in your mind? This takes time. You feel slow. You lose confidence. Don't worry. You're not alone. Almost every language learner does this at the beginning. But in this episode, I'm going to give you simple tips to stop translating in your head and to start thinking in English instead. Let's get started. So why do we translate in our heads? Well, it's simple. When we start learning a language, we use our first language as a bridge. You learn what hello or how are you means in your language. This is normal. It helps you at the beginning. But after some time, this becomes a problem because it's slow. You translate each word. You think about grammar. You get nervous and speak slowly. This happens because English is not yet in your mind as a system. You know words, but you don't feel them. So now, let's talk about how to fix this. The first tip is stop learning individual words. Learn full phrases. For example, don't just learn go. Learn go to the gym, go to bed, go home, go for a walk. These are called chunks or collocations. They are like ready-made blocks. You don't have to build the sentence each time. Just remember the block. Like, I'll get back to you. I'm not sure. That sounds good. Can I get a coffee, please? When you use these blocks again and again, you don't have to think. You just speak. It's like a song. You don't think about each word in a song. You just sing it. So repeat these common phrases. Use them. Write them. Say them aloud. You'll start thinking in English automatically. The second tip is speak English to yourself, but keep it simple. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't make it complicated. Just use easy English. For example, when you wake up, say to yourself, "It's a beautiful day. I'm going to make tea. I have a meeting today. I feel a bit tired." These are simple, short thoughts, but they are powerful. When you speak to yourself like this every day, your brain starts working in English. And guess what? No one can hear you. So don't be shy. You can talk while walking, cooking, or before sleeping. You'll be surprised how much progress you make. Tip number 3. Listen to English every day, then repeat it. Choose something easy, like a short podcast, a slow YouTube video, an English story, a TV show with subtitles. First, listen. Then pause and repeat the sentence out loud. This is called shadowing. If you hear, "I don't feel like going out today," say it out loud. Repeat the rhythm, the stress, the sound. Why? Because you are training your mouth and brain to work like a native speaker. The more you do this, the less you translate. Your brain starts remembering how English feels, not how it translates. Here's another great tip. Think in pictures, not words. Let me explain. When you hear the word apple, don't think in your own language. Instead, imagine the red fruit. Smell it. Taste it in your mind. This is very powerful. Your brain connects English with meaning, not with translation. So when you hear the cat is sleeping on the couch, imagine the cat. Don't translate. Just see it. This helps you understand and speak faster. Now, the final tip. Be patient. Stopping translation in your head takes time. But every day you practice. You get closer. Even native speakers need time to learn. So don't be hard on yourself. Don't try to be perfect. Just take small steps. Repeat chunks. Speak to yourself. Listen and shadow. Think in pictures. You're training your brain like a muscle, and you're getting better every day. So let's review. To stop translating in your head, you need to first learn full phrases or chunks, not single words. Then speak simple English to yourself. And then listen and repeat, which is shadowing. And then think in pictures. And be patient. I hope this episode helps you. If you liked it, share it with a friend or leave a comment. And remember, the more you use English, the more natural it becomes. Thanks for listening. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and stop translating in your head. Bye for now.